Is your beard in check? In this video, we will talk about summer care for our beards and go over some tips to ensure our beards are thriving through the summer fun. With all the travel, from beaches to sand to just regular heat, humidity, and sun, we gotta make sure we get right and not just hope for the best. Let's get into it. Real men get it done. All right, so whether you realize it or not, our beards just go through a lot more during the summer months than, of course, during the regular months. Why? Because we are traveling, the sun, the humidity is there. Even if you swim a lot, from chlorine to even going into the beach, to the river, wherever you may be, that water, all of the drying of the beard by the sun and everything, it just can cause damage if you're not careful. So I want to make sure to hit you to some tips to kind of rev up the beard game for the summer, to make sure that you're right and to make sure that your beard is good as we transition into the fall and then eventually to the spring. All right, so the first thing I want to encourage us to do is to, of course, wash and condition our beards. Now, for me, I would say a soft wash every day because I'm very active with the gym and again, summer with the kids, going to the pool, being out in the sun. So we have to boost up our game up to maybe 3 times out the week instead of maybe once for like a more regular wash and condition. Let me tell you why. Washing, obviously we know what that does, but the conditioning aspect, the conditioning helps seal in the oil that we have in our beards, and it just does what it does. It cleans and it hydrates the beard along with the washing. So during this summer months, when again the heat, the humidity intensifies, we need to use more washing and conditioning as a combo, not just washing our beard, to make sure that we are infusing in the oil, the moisturizer, and that our beard is taken care of throughout the week. So again, boosting your wash and condition game up to a couple of times a week instead of maybe just once as you would during the fall and spring. All right, the next thing we want to make sure is that we're actually paying attention to some of the tools that we are using for the summer months. So by microfiber towels. This is a game changer for your beard. Buy one so that you have it just exclusively for your beard. But what microfiber towels are supposed to do is to help eliminate some of the frizz and pulling of the beard. Remember, we want to reduce that. And also, if you have not been doing so, get away from the plastics and the metal combs, because that definitely pulls more at your hair. I've switched several months ago, so almost a year now, to a wooden comb. So the wooden comb, it actually is infused with oil, so it helps distribute the product that's already on the comb to my beard. And then if I do put any additional product in my beard, any of the Scotch Porter products, it helps even and distribute any of that oil throughout my beard. So these two are a game changer into helping eliminate your frizz and to help eliminate, just the pulling of your hair. But then another game changer, it's still out on debate. I've only used it for a couple of days, so I'm not 100% sure just yet, but I will recommend maybe trying it out. This is the Rich Hair Brush by Rick Ross. He has his own line of beard products, and so I was gifted this. Now, usually, as I mentioned, I would say stay away from the plastics, but what they're touting is that this was specially designed to reduce static and to help the beard, and it doesn't pull a whole bunch at my hair, but what I've been doing is still utilizing my wooden pick to get my hair and get all the product through, and then using this one to kind of just gently fluff it out. So for us that got the bigger beards and want to, make sure they get fluffed out a little bit better, this could be a great alternative to use instead of maybe using the heat comb. And I've had several videos about the heat comb, but yeah, trying it out. So we'll see how it goes. All right, next up is my bedtime routine. So I love Scotch Porter products and they have great products, but I think at night during my bedtime, I want to put on something lighter for my beard just to make sure it stays moisturized throughout the night and I'm good to go in the morning. So what I typically use is after I, again, gently rinse my beard, I'll put just a maybe small, tiny drop of the beard serum, and then I'll follow that up with some spritzes of the beard and hair conditioning spray. So this is a good look because it's very light. And it allows that moisture to just stay in your beard throughout the evening. It's not too greasy or anything. It's just a light couple spritzes. Get that in the beard, go ahead and go to bed. Then you're good to be up in the morning to move forward with your routine and get on out the door. So again, I love a little drop of beard serum from Scotch Porter, and then also finishing it up with a couple spritzes of their beard and conditioner spray. Definitely a good look. Right, so then you want to transition after you wake up to your morning routine. And so you have a couple of options from Scotch Porter, which is pretty dope. They have 2 beard balms, which is really cool. One is just a regular one that is a little bit more creamy. Think of the consistency of maybe lotion. It has a conditioner on this aspect. And then they also have a beard balm that is a hold, a shape and hold. So for us to have maybe the larger, thicker beards, this is a good look because it's more of a thicker cream. Think of like a Vaseline, but it's a thicker cream to use so that you use it in your beard, but then also help maintain the hold or the shape that you want of your beard. May not be an issue if your beard is just starting out, so the beard conditioner is a good look. But definitely you have options there to have just an easy conditioner as you wake up and before you hit it and head out on the door, just to make sure the beard is nice and conditioned for the course of the day. The last thing I want to stress in terms of the summer months, which is so crucial, we should be doing this throughout the entire year anyway, fellas, but to try to take some type of supplement and to make sure we are staying hydrated. Real talk, this is my thermal that I have, and I take it around with me every day during work and try to fill it up a couple of times to make sure that I'm getting plenty of water, not just 8 ounces or 32 ounces or whatnot, but I'm getting plenty of water throughout the day, I should say, and then a good supplement. So I use cod liver oil. This is a fish-based oil which boosts your immune system. It boosts your bones, make sure you have healthy teeth and skin. And also Scotch Porter, they have a supplement that I've used before, but I've just been using this for like umpteen years, the cod liver oil. But it's very similar in the fact that it helps boost your immune system. It's for your beard and your skin and health and everything. But the importance of supplements is just to get the vitamins that we're deficient in, fellas. So picking up a supplement from Scotch Porter or going to Walmart or Target and getting a couple of dollar supplement like a cod liver oil is definitely needed to help just keep us healthy and to just make sure, as I said, your immune system is good, your bones, your health, your bone, your teeth. And then water is just, we don't get enough. I know, fellas, we do not drink enough water. So we have to be intentional about all the benefits of water and get off of the soda, the teas, the juices, and drink more water. It flushes our system, it keeps us healthy. So those are 2 power twins, a supplement and water throughout the summer, especially just to make sure that you're not dehydrated and just to make sure you have overall health and that it exudes, through your beard and through your skin. So those are my tips for summer, how I stay right. I encourage you, I'm with you along this journey, so feel free to drop a comment below. Let me know if there's something that you're doing for your summer routine. And man, we're just in this thing together. So till next time, peace and blessings. Real men get it done.